Um, First of all, I think you must be noticing whatever comes on my way and I feel it's correct, I take it. But I am open for projects, but I don't want to be anybody's girlfriend or a wife or do bold scenes on camera because I know that's going to be a full stop. I want to be a character. I want to play roles like Manikarnika, Mardani, Gangubai, Rani Lakshmibai, a strong woman-oriented roles I want to play. I think because that's what I am in life, and I can give my 100% to it, and I can take that even if I am a 70-year-old woman, I can still act because you will never forget a character, but you'll always forget a heroine. So I believe in that, and yeah, I'm open for any such projects like that.
We know you as an internet sensation, and like people have been admiring you for your mindsets that you have been showcasing. So, what made you that strong?
I think my fans and your all of y'all also. And every time as I told you, every time I wanted to take a step back, I got a call back from the industry. So I think मैं इधर यहाँ की ही बच्ची हूँ. So I don't want to. Now I believe that I was born to be here, if not as an actor, as somebody who can voice out a lot of things and guide people and stay in the industry as whatever. I don't know. I still don't know what I am in the industry, but I am something, and that something is going to take me much more ahead in life. And I'll continue being like this, and I will continue making all my fans happy and proud of myself.
Wow, that's amazing. Sana, if I talk about as in women empowerment, we've been talking. No doubt your voice is not just for women. It's more of when it comes to equality. I believe you are the right person because for you have been balancing both
Yeah.
together. So if you've been given a chance, one chance to empower women, because you have been working so hard for all the women, even for your organization that has been working towards the empowerment for women, and there are so many contestants and participants who have been working from different, like various fields, small towns. Women have been participating in your organization. So what is that one thing that you like to do for all?
Again, for women's, I my personally want to help is that I don't want to, if I have somebody I can help, I don't want her to fall into all those black shades which I have come from. I would help that girl or woman or a female like a shadow and will make sure that she reaches of what capable